my name is Kirtana and today I'm going to make mango salsa puri. Mango salsa puri, this dish is inspired from Amras puri. Mango salsa puri is the combination of Mexican salsa and Indian pani puri. Mango salsa puri has three components. First component, mango salsa. To make mango salsa, we need ripe mangoes and tomatoes and capsicum and coriander and onions, and we need lime juice. And the spices are some chili powder and salt and cumin powder. So the second component is puri. To make puri, we need 1 cup of maida, 2 tablespoons of suji and a pinch of baking soda, and we need a pinch of salt, and to make a dough we need water. The third component, raw mango water. Raw mango water is also called as amka panna. To make amka panna, we need raw mango, chilies and mint, and we need black salt, and we need salt and cumin powder. So let's start making amka panna. To make the amka panna, we need raw mango. First we have to peel the skin of the raw mango, then we have to cut it into rough cubes. Then next we have to slit the chilies, and we have to wash and clean the mint, and then we have to transfer it into a pan and boil it for 5 to 7 minutes until the mango is soft. Then after that we have to blend it and dilute it with water, and after that we have to season with black salt, cumin powder and salt. To make puris, we need a small bowl, and in the bowl we need maida, suji and a pinch of baking soda and salt. To make it a tight dough, we need water. Then we have to roll the dough into a thin sheet, and we have to cut the roundels using this small glass. And then fry the roundels to make a crisp puri. Now let's come to our last component, salsa. To make salsa, we need to peel the skin of the ripe mangoes and finely chop them. Now we have to take the tomatoes, we remove the seeds and we have to chop them, and capsicum also, without the seeds we have to chop them, and finally we have to chop the onions and coriander and finish it with juice of lime, and season the salsa with chili powder, cumin powder and some salt. Now comes my most exciting part, assembling of salsa. So first we have to cut the coriander, and we have to add the mangoes, and next we have to add the capsicum, then the onions, and tomatoes. Now then we have to cut this line. And then we have to squeeze it. And then one more. And then I'll mix it again. And to season this salsa, I'm adding a little salt. And some chili powder. And the last, cumin powder. And mix. So here comes the final stage of assembling and presentation of the recipe. So what I have done is, after preparing the aam ka panna, I have refrigerated and chilled it, and I've did puri, and I am putting this mango salsa. And then put it over here, and I've garnished with the spring of the coriander. So here comes my dish. So this dish is very tasty and it's very seasonal dish, and you can try it at home. It's very simple and very delicious. So here comes my dish. Bye. So here comes my mango salsa puri dish. So for tasting this dish, I want my family members to come.
Ah, nice.
Wow, nice.
That's it. Please.
It's so nice.
It's a tango in our mouth. Try this and enjoy.